Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. So in this video I am going to share my self-given analysis of RRB clerk prelims, which is 14th of December 2025 shift 1, and here I am going to share as many as questions which I remember. So let's get started. So first is the reasoning section, and these are the some of the conditions or the questions that I remember, and this is from miscellaneous one, that is if we add 2 to the second digit to each number, then how many numbers are divisible by 3? And I think the answer for this was I think two numbers from the given numbers, because all were 3-digit numbers. Next is the second one. How many of the numbers which remain unchanged after we arrange all the digits within the number in descending order? So I think the answer for this was 841. And then one more miscellaneous one. So we have to find how many consonants which are immediately as well as immediately preceded and followed by the consonants. So for this I don't remember the answer now, I just remember the questions. Then we have to identify those vowels which are followed by the alphabet which comes before P. So for this also I don't remember the answers. And which of the following element is 8th to the right of 18th element from the right hand? So the answer was like 9th from the right hand. So I'm not sure whether it was A or X. So currently I don't remember the answers. And next question was, what will be the sum of the second digit of the fourth number from the left uh, and the first digit of the third number from the right hand? And the question was exactly like this, but I am not sure whether it was the fourth number from the left or third number, but here I have written the exact pattern of the question. And then which of the following is the second largest number among the given digits? And then three questions were there on silox, that is one was giving the neither nor, only one, and either or. Then inequalities, so one I got as both follows, another I think only one, and remaining one I don't remember, but each type has three questions on it. Okay, so then this is the answer that I got for the uncertain number of people. So I was getting 13 people. So do let me know in the comment section whether it was the 13 people only. And this is the answer, that is P.S.D.M.A.F.Y.H. Okay, and these are the conditions I have written here because I remember some of the conditions. So based on this I remember some of the condition. Okay, then one was like 8 people facing north, and this is the answer that I got, that is EDHFCKGJ. So do let me know whether this sequence which I got here is correct or not. And this is the designation based puzzle. So here I only remember the clerk position, so remaining I don't remember the above designations. And in the question they had given it in the increasing order, and this is the sequence I got, CEAFDPG. And do let me know what was the correct sequence, whether I got the correct or not. And these are some conditions which I remember. And regarding the blood relation questions, I don't exactly remember the full question, so here I have written some of the conditions, and I remember some of the options. I think 3 questions were based on it. One I got at sister-in-law, another is nice, and one more is the grandfather. And this is another question, another puzzle, that is flat 4 based. So there were 3 floors with 2 flats P and Q, and here this is the puzzle I felt quite tricky, I mean for me, because I was getting 2 possibilities, and in each possibilities I didn't felt whether I made wrong there, because each possibilities there was no conditions which was mismatching with them. And these are some of the conditions, like so this is the condition where I felt I was having the doubt whether I got the correct answer or not. So do let me know whether this answer is correct or not. And B lives in the perfect square floor. Obviously it must be in the first floor only, because perfect square according to their floors they just given 1 2 3 floors, so that's why it must come here only. Then the one who lives immediately above B, above B, above B's flat lives in the same floor as D. Means the one who lives immediately above B, he will lives with the same floor as D. So that's why I have written this sequence. So in another condition also, we can write this as B here, D here, and then okay. So one more question was there, like E was exactly to the east or west, so something like that it was there. So and there was one floor between C and F. Okay, so do let me know. I just have the doubt in this question only whether I got the correct sequence or not. Okay, then this is another miscellaneous question where we have to find make the meaningful word. One I got as hate and another as heat, so we have to make the meaningful from 1 4 6 and 10th letter. And this is forward and backward pair formation. So I got, I think, 3 pairs, and it was starting with 4 2 something, remaining I don't remember. And this was like coding, decoding, like that, miscellaneous. So I got as RIVOS, and that's it. So I attempted 40 questions in reasoning. Okay, and coming to the quant section, there was one DI which is based on the line graph, and here is the data of 2019 which has both boys and girls. And this is A 140 120, this is 220 180, and I think 150. Okay, then okay, so these are some of the questions I remember. So currently I don't remember the answers. I just wrote what I know, I mean whatever I remember now. So if the number of girls in F is 25% more than the total number of students in E, then we have to find how many boys are there in F. Okay, and some question was like we have to find the difference between like the total number of boys and girls from B, and the total number of boys and girls from C, so like that. And the number of boys in C is, so 3 times the number of boys in B. Find the total number of girls in C. Okay, so there's some ratio based, so like that it was very easy, doable. Then another DI was there where they had given the Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and all the data were in whole numbers only. So these are the persons, I think A B C D E. Okay, and the questions were like, most of the questions were like we have to find the difference between A B in Saturday and Sunday, and B on Saturday, so like that it was there. So all the questions were on doable side. Then this is the arithmetic questions. I remember some of the arithmetic questions, and here I have written those questions which I have attempted in the exam only, and remaining I didn't get the time to visit that question only. Okay, so out of the total salary of A, he spent 10% on the travel, 15% on grocery, and out of the remaining he spent 1/5 of I think rent, and he was left with 12,000. Then what is his salary? So here I think I got it in the form 20,000 or 2,000 something, but I'm not sure because I solved this. But in the end I was not able to mark that as answer, because I think I got as 2,000 or 20,000 something, but in the option I felt I didn't saw that as answer, so I think I left it. Okay, then A invested some amount at 10% for 2 years, which is compounded annually, and he got an interest of 840, and find the amount invested. Okay, so here I got it as 4,000. So let me know in the comment section whether this is correct or not. Then Joy and another person name I don't know, but here I have written it as Alice. He scored the marks in the ratio of 3:4, and the average marks scored by them is 84. If the passing marks is 50, then find the difference between the marks scored by the Joy and the passing marks. So here I think I got as 22. And one more question was like the speed of the boat in still water is 3 less than downstream speed of the boat, and if the boat travels a distance of 54 km in 3 hours, so find the speed of the boat in upstream. So here like this it formed, and I got the answer I think 12. but I am not sure currently because this is exact same question, but answer I think I got it as 12 or some other number, I don't know. But based on my memory, I have written here. Okay, then one more was on average, that is average height of 6 boys and 4 girls in the class is 160, and the average height of the 4 girls is 165, and they had asked to find the sum of the height of all the boys. So I think one I was getting as 1440 minus 660, totally I think I got 780 or 720. I think it is 780. Okay, we'll see. Then there were number series. So yeah, missing number series, and I think all were lengthy, but it was on doable side, but they were time taking. Okay, one was following like 221, 222, 223, like this sequence, and another one like multiple of the I think multiples of squares, like 4 into 9 into 16 into 32, like this. And one more, I think one more was like 15, 17, 19, I think like that sequence, but I think it was on doable side. I think I left only 2 questions, I guess, I'm not sure. Then the simplification, so all were easy. It was very easy, which it was on doable. So I think 10 to 12 questions, I'm not sure, but it was on doable set. Since the number series were lengthy, I gave most of my time in this, so I was not able to answer the remaining arithmetic questions. I think they were all easy, but I didn't get the time to visit it again. So that's it. I attempted total 34 questions out of 40 in the points. So overall my attempts are 74 out of 80. And I just have the doubt in the reasoning, that flat floor based puzzle. So do let me know in the comment section what was the answer for that. And and also tell me the answer for the blood relation also. And that's it. Do let me know in the comment section what was your attempts in this test, and if you remember any of the answers or questions other than this, please do let me know. And yes, these are the only questions that I remembered now. Okay, so and also do subscribe if you are new to this channel, because here I will share my self-given analysis, my scorecards, etc. Okay, and thanks for watching. Do subscribe BankingSpark.